The text image function is used to show the manufacturer specific construction details that are not easily visible from the flat figure. In this case, we are simulating to have a logo that must be embroidered in a specific position of a sweater. Click on the text image button and create the new topic of deepening, assigning a name that clearly identifies the type of explanation that we want to show. You may also decide here if you want to have this page featured in the TechPass as portrait or landscape page. You can insert an image, according to the procedure we have already seen earlier. My advice is to remember to use the entries of the tags and description field of your image, to be able to recover the image later if it should serve again. Once uploaded, the image is possible with a simple HTML editor. Insert comments that could help the supplier to realize your project. In fact, you have at your disposal a text area where you can write and also format the text you're liking. You can also upload more than one image to better specify your instructions. For example, in this case, a picture has been created in order to clearly explains where the embroidered logo should be placed and what its size should be. Text image is therefore a valid and versatile tool to communicate with your suppliers and your collaborators the details of your projects.